I've been doing Chapter 13 bankruptcies for about 23 years. Here in North Texas, I've done thousands of bankruptcies over that period of time. If someone's considering a bankruptcy or thinks that a bankruptcy might help them, it makes sense to come and see a bankruptcy attorney such as myself, particularly since we don't charge a consultation fee. It's an opportunity to talk to a bankruptcy professional, see what Chapter 13 can do for you, see maybe even if it can't do anything for you. In a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, experience is really important because there are a lot of nuances to the different trustees that you might have, to the different judges. Some judges will rule one way, another judge might rule differently. It's important, the personal relationships that the law firm has, to get the best result that you can in the Chapter 13. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is typically referred to as a reorganization. It involves a debtor in bankruptcy paying all of their disposable income to a Chapter 13 trustee for a period of 3 to 5 years. The trustee then takes those payments and directs them to creditors in accordance with the Chapter 13 plan that's been prepared by your attorney. It's kind of a sticking point between the attorney and the trustee's office because the trustee's always trying to make your plan payment be higher, and we're trying to always keep that payment as low as we can, and it can be really pretty complicated. If we get a plan confirmed and a client gets a raise, it can be a problem. Now, one of the things the trustees have been doing lately is requiring that the debtors provide them with their ongoing tax returns. They look at those to see if there's been a change in circumstances, and if there has been, they're inclined to file a modification to try to get the client's payment increased. Our firm's interested in keeping that payment as low as possible. Chapter 13 is not always the answer. It blocks the foreclosure. If a client's able to resume their regular mortgage payment and make a trustee payment, then it works very well. Likewise, where the IRS has started garnishing wages, the bankruptcy stops that. A lot of times I'll be recommending to my clients, look at the 13 as a last resort in your case. If you absolutely have to do it, we'll do it. But otherwise, it can be a difficult situation to be locked into a bankruptcy for 3 to 5 years. It's important that you have somebody that knows their way around in a Chapter 13.